Good morning. Buenos dias. Here's another video. Otro video. I'm out here camping, living, enjoying life. She's a work in progress, like I said, but hopefully I'll be able to get these parts. Man, she's just beautiful. She is just beautiful. I kind of wiped her down yesterday, but it was so windy and it just got dust even more. But right now the problem that I'm having is the steering wheel. Like I said in my other video, I was having trouble starting it. It wouldn't crank. It would, sorry about that. It would crank, but it wouldn't turn over. So I didn't know what the problem was. I left it at the shop, and the mechanic that I usually take my car to for oil changes or stuff like that, he fired it up right up, and it turned on. Knock on wood that it turns on. Actually, let's find out. Because I'm here recording. I haven't even checked. I'm not gonna show you the back because right now I have a mess. But I got these curtains that I had from my apartment. Yeah, like I said, I haven't had the time to actually get a good cleaning, and hopefully I'm gonna get that done today. Let's find out. Let's see. Uh-oh. This is no bueno. She is not starting. I might have killed the battery or drained it yesterday. Oh, man. Okay. Obviously, situations like these are gonna happen. Oh boy. Okay. So I got this jump starter. Okay, let's connect this. I'm gonna have to clean the posts because they're a little dirty. So what we do here? She's alive. She's alive. Man, I'm so happy to have this, literally. All right, so she's working. So that means my battery is dying. I might need a new battery. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. But I'm thankful that it turned on. I thought I was gonna get stranded. Thank you, Lord. I prayed and I said, Lord, you have the power to turn this vehicle on. And the Lord did its job. I was freaking out. But I have to understand that there will be situations like this, and I need to be prepared. Now, at first I was thinking battery, obviously, the alternator, the starter. the list was going on, and I yeah. So guys, this is my van, and he is my baby. So far, I was just talking about that I have the steering wheel is too tight. The mechanic that I take it to, he told me that it's the gearbox, so I'm gonna have to get that replaced. I might as well maybe put in a new alternator and a new battery. Well, the battery, obviously, I'm gonna get that, but yeah, this is experiencing. Woo! Honestly, I am afraid of snakes. Lord, please let this trail be clear of any sort of animals that I would hopefully not encounter. Oh, yep, there's still snow. Ooh. There she is. This is the bed. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. My guitar here. I haven't played it in a while, so see how that goes. I have my Oculus. I have water here just in case. When I do some my ramen noodle soup, I stored just a bunch of stuff there for now. This I'm gonna fix this. I just need something for now just to cover. This is the cockpit up front. Yeah, guys. I'm more than excited. I'm like super excited just because I have room here. I have room. And look, I'm short, so perfect. It's perfect for my height. I went for a hike earlier today in the morning, or actually not in the morning, in the afternoon. It was very windy. Well guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna be updating you guys on the van, what upgrades I'm gonna be doing, what things I'm gonna be removing. And if you guys have any pointers, just let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget guys, subscribe, comment, and join me on this wild adventure. Let's live life, enjoy it. Well guys, see you into the next video. Peace.